This is the wireless HDMI extender kit from Mirabox. So this kit includes a TX box, which is your source box, an RX box, which is the receiver box. You get your antennas that need screwed into the sides of each of the boxes. They have infrared connections if you want to use a remote with this, and then you have 2 power cords. Another thing to keep in mind, to connect these, you do still need HDMI cables, but of course you can use very short ones. So the way this works, you're going to have your source. You're going to plug an HDMI cable from that into this box. If your source doesn't have its own monitor, they do have an output here that you can plug. Say you're hooking this up to your desktop computer, you can plug your HDMI cable into this. This HDMI out then can plug into your desktop monitor. It'll still send the signal to this receiver, and then this receiver has an output on it which you can hook up to a remote monitor wherever you have this box. So this is going to be really nice for me when we have outdoor movie nights outside. I can't get my Wi-Fi way out at my patio, which is 150 feet by my house. These things can transmit up to, I think, almost 700 feet if you have a clear line of sight. If there's walls, obstructions in the way, it will be a little less. Also, if you're using multiple receiver boxes, it will be less. You can purchase additional receiver boxes and hook up to 4 devices, so it'll display the monitor or the image, whatever it is, on 4 different receiver boxes. And if the device you're using uses a remote, these things make it really easy to keep using that remote even when you're further away. So when you plug this in to the RX end, you can have your remote 600 feet away, use your remote, this receives it, transmit it through the air like it does with the picture, except backwards, and then this will retransmit it out at your box onto your device. So if you have a TV hooked up, it just connects these at a longer range, transfers the signal through the Wi-Fi, and then puts it into your TV, so you can control your TV watching from farther away. I want to demo this for you, so I'm going to get these plugged in, but all I need to do is plug my power source in. I'm going to hook an HDMI cable up to my source box, to my laptop, and then hook this one up to my TV, and we can transmit the image. All right, so I just hooked it up. Really easy to hook up. Power cord, HDMI cord on both ends. Really simple. There's no app, there's no program you need to download. You literally plug it in, and it works just like connecting an HDMI cable right into another device. But this prevents all the messiness of running cables, especially if you have a PowerPoint presentation, a projector screen, anything like that. This gets your image there without using wires, which is really nice. So I'm now projecting a video here from my laptop onto my TV right behind you. I'll spin this around so you guys can see, but the image is great. And this is an HD image that I'm transmitting from my laptop onto this monitor here, and you can see it's really clear, shows up really well. It does only support 1080p, something to keep in mind if you want to do like a 4K video or something, but you can see the quality is really good, even if we get up close here. Really good quality. Very happy with that. So if you need a way to hook up a screen, either without wires or somewhere that's a longer distance from the source, this is a great way to do it. It's super easy to set up and it works really well.